up guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm just going to quickly show you how to play Concert for Aliens by Machine Gun Kelly. Now this is actually the easiest way to play the song out there on YouTube, because the keyboard on the 4th fret to make the chord super easy. This one is more like pop rather than R&B or rock type we have out there, where you just play the power chord. So let's put the keyboard on the 4th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's good. 4th fret. One thing in this video, what all I'm saying will be related to keyboard on the 4th fret. So let's get started. Have a look at the structure. We start off with the intro, verse, chorus. Then you have a post-chorus. Then we have another verse, another chorus, another post-chorus. And then we have the bridge. And after the bridge, we got the chorus and the post-chorus. Now in the song, we have two chord progression to learn. One is for the verse, another is for the rest of the song, which means the chorus, post-chorus, bridge all together. So let's start. Have a look at the chords first. Alright, the first chord is the C major, which is mute 3 2 0 1 0. Next chord is the A minor, which is mute open second first open. Then you have a D major, mute open second third second. G major 3 2 open 3. What else? I told you G, I told you C. I think we are left with none. So let's get started with the intro of the song. This is actually the easiest version. Instead of playing the full power chord, we just play the octaves, the root note, the octave, octaves of the root note. So we're just going to do a hammer on from 2nd to 4th on the G string, and then we're just going to play 4th fret, 5th fret on the D string. So in total we actually play that twice. So we got, after that we do a hammer on from 2 to 4 on the G string. Then you play 2nd fret on the G string. Then you play 5th fret on the G string. 5th fret on the D string. So you got, and we are going to repeat that another time. So in total we got, so we repeat that whole sequence 2 times, and we are actually done with the intro. So let's play the intro. That's it. Now you move on to the verse, and for the verse the chord progression will be a G, A minor, C major, another time C major, and repeat this line 3 times in total. So we got 2nd time, 3rd time, and then we have an E minor, D major, C major, again a C major, and then you move on to the chorus. Now for this part I like to do 4 down on each chord. You can actually see on the screen. So we got 1 2 3 4, and I like to do one, well, like I just want to emphasize on the 3rd beat, 1 2 3 4, but it's just a big option. So you can do 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. That's it. And it's just gonna be a bit hard because I know the song is not soft one. So we got G, A minor, C. Let's play that verse line. So 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. 4 down stroke on each chord, you can see on the screen. E minor, C major, and you move on to the chorus. Now the chorus, the post-chorus, the bridge, everything is actually same. The chord progression will be a G major, then a C, then a D, then an E minor, and 4 down on each chord, and that's it. So let's play that for a couple of times. That's almost everything you need for this lesson. So make sure to drop me one of these if this helps you out. Subscribe, because I just want to reach 2,000 subscribers as fast as possible. So make sure to hit the subscribe button. And tomorrow is Friday. A lot of music is coming. So therefore, just gonna cover all of this. So make sure to stay tuned, and I'll see you guys back in the next video. Till then, bye.